Texas channel. The 3B Kids of Texas! It is summertime in Texas. Today we're doing watermelon Rice Krispie treats. We're gonna start by using 10 ounces of mini marshmallows. I'll throw it away. We have to make sure Bear doesn't eat any. No. We need every single bit of it. Don't you want Rice Krispie treat? We're gonna add 3 tablespoons canola oil. We're gonna put these marshmallows in the microwave and they're gonna melt down. Nice job, Bear. Thank you. Okay. Yes. Nope. And then that will have 3. And then that will have twin hugging. Oh, best brother ever. I love you, Bear. While your marshmallows are melting, get your Rice Krispies prepared. Equally divide 6 cups of Rice Krispies. That means there's 3 cups in here and 3 cups in here. 6 cups. Nice adding. We poured half of our melted marshmallow in this bowl. Add a 1/4 teaspoon green food coloring. Stir it up. Add 3 cups Rice Krispies. Stir. Yeah! Ah! We're gonna grease our pie plate, and then we're gonna add our green Rice Krispies around the edges. You need a 1/4 teaspoon pink food coloring and an 1/8 teaspoon of red food coloring. Add in 3 cups of Rice Krispie and gently stir. We put our pink Rice Krispies in the middle. Now we're going to use mini chocolate chips as seeds. Never even saw that. Saw what? Nothing? Did you eat one of the chocolate chips again? Not again. We need those. Come on. Eat. Don't you want Rice Krispie treat? I think we're done. Once this cools, you can cut it into slices. Let's heat this baby up.
And the marshmallow's super sticky. This is really good.
I don't like it. I love it. I don't like it. I love it. You should eat this more.
Remember that last watermelon?
Oh, the real one?
Yep.
Uh,
Got a little.
why did we even need a real watermelon?
This is the part where we forgot everything we learned at Cotillion.
Those manners went out the door super fast.
Who was in charge of turning off the camera? Oh well, it is what it is now. This Rice Krispie treat was so good. If you've made it this far, thanks for watching. Please hit that subscribe button. It's totally free and it really helps out our channel.